back to my channel, Cooking in Siargao. Today I am going to share the recipe that I'm going to make for the dinner of my family. We call this recipe beef with broccoli. And our ingredients are beef. I already cut this like this thin, mga cooking ina. And broccoli. I have this already cut. Chopped onions. Chopped garlic. Beef cubes. I like to put a beef cubes in my recipe so that it gives more flavor to our food. Butter and oyster sauce, soya sauce, ground black pepper, and salt. So now mga cooking ina, join me here making our beef with broccoli recipe. First, mga cooking ina, we're going to mix our soya sauce to our beef. We do like this. We estimate first, mga cooking ina, before we put a lot of soya. So we mix this. We do like this. Then we just rest like 1 minute and then we're going to start frying some of our ingredients. So now we're going to put our butter, mga cooking ina. When we cook our butter, we're just use a medium heat, mga cooking ina, so that it's not burn directly our butter. Next, mga cooking ina, we're going to put our onions. We do like this. Garlic. And our beef. And now mga cooking ina, our beef broccoli is ready to plate, mga cooking ina. We do like this. Hey. Wow, it smells good. So, and now mga cooking ina, our beef with broccoli is plated. Look mga cooking ina, it's look yummy, healthy, and it smells good. And now mga cooking ina, thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making my beef with broccoli recipe for my family. Hope you do this as well to your family mga cooking ina. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!